Heart's been broke too many times. I don't know what to believe. Because at this point, I'm strong and I'm an independent person because I don't think purpose. Okay. No? Eh?